This is the HeartMath freeze frame technique. Begin seated with a tall spine, and you may choose to put your hands over your heart, or you may choose to keep them in your lap. Close your eyes and be in a position that feels comfortable and relaxing for you. The freeze frame technique gives you the opportunity to explore an alternative perspective, an alternative answer to a question you might have, or a challenging situation that you may be confronted with, a challenging emotion. And the way that this works is that we begin to see the challenge instead of from a more mental perspective, from an open-hearted perspective. And often when we tune into the wisdom of the heart center, we can come up with more creative, regenerative solutions that we may not have accessed if we were only focused on intellectually solving an issue. So the first step in the freeze frame technique is to acknowledge the problem or the issue that you're experiencing. Maybe it's a recurrent depleting emotion. Maybe it's some challenge in your life that you just can't come up with a solution for. So take these few minutes to fully feel and acknowledge this challenge, and fully acknowledge and observe your attitudes and feelings about this challenge. Give yourself a few moments here to really become clear and invested in seeing it fully. And once you are connected with that challenge, we'll move into heart-focused breathing. Focusing your attention on the area of the heart. Imagine your breath is flowing into and out of your heart or chest area, breathing a little more slowly and deeply than you normally do. Find an easy and comfortable rhythm as though your heart is doing the breathing. Dropping your energy from the mind into the center of the heart. And then make a sincere attempt here as you breathe into and out of your heart to experience a regenerative emotion, so you can let go of the problem for just a moment and really go into your feeling of compassion, of joy, of kindness, or the feeling of the sun warming your skin, watching a beautiful sunset, anything that can really help to elevate your emotional state. Continuing to breathe into and out of the heart. You may feel a smile creep across your lips as you really activate this regenerative emotion. Feeling it in the heart and the body. And now that we've added more coherence to the system, it may become possible to see the challenge from a broader and more balanced perspective. So from this more objective place, staying in the heart as much as you can, keep cultivating awareness of the heart, of the regenerative emotion. From this objective place, ask, is there a more efficient or effective solution to that problem? Is there a way that I can see or feel into this issue that will give me better insight? The key here is doing this from the heart more than from the intellectual aspect. Feeling into the heart, feeling curiosity, and trusting that the answer will come from the heart at the exact right timing for you. Be curious and listen, quietly observe any subtle changes in your perceptions, in your attitudes, in your feelings around this challenge. Feeling curious and trusting what comes up for you. And it doesn't always happen, but sometimes we'll get a really profound insight or a perspective to shift in a way that allows us to approach the problem in a different way. And if that does happen for you, in this moment, make a commitment to really follow through with seeing or feeling your challenge or problem or issue in this new light, in this new way. And if it doesn't happen during this session, that's okay. You can show up to it again in a future freeze frame practice and trust that when you're ready to fully open and listen to your heart, the solution will make itself available for you. And you may choose to end your practice with another round of the quick coherence technique, or you may feel a sense of completion now. Be well.